Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili quick. To begin, gather all your ingredients to ensure a smooth and speedy cooking process. First, brown 1 pound of ground beef or turkey in a large pot over medium-high heat, then carefully drain any excess fat. Next, add 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic to the pot, sautéing them until they become fragrant and softened, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. This quick start sets the foundation for your delicious, fast chili. Now let's build that rich flavor quickly. Stir in 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and a half teaspoon of smoked paprika directly into the pot with your aromatics. Cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Then, add 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 2 15-ounce cans of your favorite beans, rinsed and drained, and 1 cup of beef or vegetable broth. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil. To achieve a deep, satisfying flavor in a short time, reduce the heat to low after boiling. Let your chili simmer gently for at least 20 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Remember to stir it occasionally to prevent any sticking to the bottom of the pot and ensure even cooking. If you prefer a thicker consistency, simply mash about 1/4 of the beans against the side of the pot. Your quick chili is almost ready. Before serving, always taste and adjust the seasonings to your preference, adding a pinch more salt or a dash of hot sauce if desired. Ladle the hot chili into bowls and customize it with your favorite toppings. Popular choices include shredded cheddar cheese, a dollop of sour cream, fresh cilantro, or sliced green onions. Serve this hearty meal with warm cornbread or crispy tortilla chips for a truly satisfying experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.